everyone, this is Neha Lal and welcome to my channel You Are Beautiful. When people are in their 20s or 30s, they are more interested in doing exercise which include jumping or running around. But as they come in their 40s, they don't feel like doing jumping a lot because mostly they have complained that after doing all these exercises, they feel like doing anything in the day and they have pain in their legs. So today I have come here to do some exercises with you guys which are not including any kind of jumping, and we are going to do all these exercises on my mat and it's going to help you. Trust me guys, it's going to help you a lot. If you are a new subscriber, then do subscribe back to my channel. If you have already subscribed it, so thank you so much for that. I'm really thankful to all of you for loving me so much, and because I can see my subscriber are increasing day by day, so I feel that people are giving me so much love. Thank you so much for that. So try to enjoy as much as you can, because if you're going to enjoy these exercises, you are going to be able to. And if you are not enjoying this exercise, eventually you're going to leave it after 2 or 3 days. So always believe that if you're having a little bit of pain here and there, it's okay, because you're going to get benefit out of it. So let's start. Stand straight and you are going to touch your opposite feet with opposite hand, and while we are touching them, we are going to look up and straight your back as much as you can, stretch your back as much as you can. This is a very good stretching for your back as well as for your thigh muscles. So keep going. Now we're going to do sumo punch. ये मेरी अपनी personal favorite है. इसमें you're going to bend down and punching at both the sides. और ये जितना आप अच्छे से पंच करेंगे उतना ही इससे फ़ायदा मिलेगा. This is very good exercise for your arms, for your calf muscles, for your thigh muscles, for your back. So don't stop guys, just keep going. Keep going. This is one of my favorites, slow crunch, and this is very good exercise for ab muscles, I must tell you guys. For this you are going to lie down and bend your knees, hands at your back side of your neck, and you're going to come up with the inhale and you're going down with exhalation. So just keep going guys, and when you are going up, stay here for some couple of seconds because it's going to help you a lot to make your ab muscles. I can feel the fire in my ab muscles, but I am not going to stop. So you guys are not going to stop. कोई भी हम लोग stop नहीं करेंगे, and we will continue. For this, lie down on your right side, elbow supporting your torso. अपने लेफ़्ट लेग को अपने राइट लेग के ऊपर से क्रॉस कर लें, और उसके बाद स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन योर राइट इनर थाई, ड्रॉपिंग इट अप एंड डाउन विदाउट रेस्टिंग इट ऑन द फ्लोर. ज़मीन पर बिल्कुल नहीं टच करना है. एंड वी आर गोइंग टू वर्क फॉर अनदर कपल ऑफ सेकेंड्स. अब अपने लेग को चेंज करके हम दूसरी साइड पे सेम रिपीट करेंगे, and it's going to help you a lot to burn the inner fat in your thigh muscles. So keep going guys, I am with you, I am also doing along with you, so keep going. अब इस तरह की पोजीशन में आके we start doing cycling. So this is going to give a very tight inner thigh muscles to you, and ये काफ मसल्स को भी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है और धीरे धीरे आपके लेग्स जो हैं वो टोन अप हो जाते हैं. So we are going to do it on both the sides, clockwise and anti-clockwise. So don't stop guys. This is in continuity. अब इसमें हम दोनों पैरों को एक साथ मूव करेंगे तो इसमें थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेंथ आपका ज़्यादा लगेगा, बट डोंट स्टॉप, डोंट गिव अप, because it's going to help you to firm your ab muscles, your thigh muscles, your hip area. So it is very beneficial. So just keep going, don't stop, don't stop. अब सेम हमको फिर से रिपीट करना है और मैं आपको बता दूं कि आई एम टेकिंग रेस्ट फॉर सम कपल ऑफ सेकेंड्स इन बिटवीन, which I am not showing it right now. We are doing it back to back, but you can take rest if you are tired, and it's going to help you in your tricep, biceps, hamstrings, everywhere. Now we are going to do crisscross with our legs, and this is very good exercise for reducing fat on your inner thigh and calf muscles. एंड ये सबसे अच्छी वर्क करती है आपके लव हैंडल्स को कम करने के लिए और इवेंचुअली गोइंग टू गिव यू अ वेरी नाइस वेस्ट लाइन. सो जस्ट कीप गोइंग गाइज, एंड आई नो यू आर फीलिंग पेन, यू आर हैविंग बर्निंग सेंसेशन, बट डोंट. Now we are going to do this rotation clockwise and anti-clockwise. This is also very good exercise for your inner thigh muscles, for your हिप मसल्स और हिप जॉइंट्स को ओपन करने के लिए, उनको फ्लेक्सिबल बनाने के लिए बहुत ही अच्छी एक्सरसाइज है. एंड डू इट इन 15-15 का सेट एटलीस्ट फॉर 3 times. इट्स गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अ लॉट. सो जस्ट कीप गोइंग गाइज, डोंट स्टॉप. Now we are going to do inchworm, one of the most full body exercise I do. Walk on your hands forward and then you will be in a high plank position, hands below your shoulder. और इसके बाद अपनी core muscles को बहुत अच्छे से tighten up करना है, straight line में ही जाना है और straight line में ही वापस आना है. It looks so simple but actually it working in your ab, shoulder, legs. So don't stop, don't give up guys, keep moving, keep pushing yourself. Guys, this is in continuity, but now we are going to swing our body just like this, and it's going to help you a lot to make your body flexible. और फ्लेक्सिबल होने के साथ साथ ये आपकी बॉडी का जो एक्स्ट्रा फैट है उसको रिमूव करता है. और चाहे वो आपके लव हैंडल्स हो, वेदर यू आर हैविंग फैट इन योर थाइज, योर एब्स, एवरीवेयर. सो कीप गोइंग गाइज, डोंट स्टॉप, पुश योरसेल्फ एज मच एज यू कैन, just keep going. Continue with this and now take rest for some couple of seconds. Now we'll do high plank position, elbows on the ground, shoulders wide apart, legs straight in neutral position. Push your belly button inside into your spine. I know it's not easy, but I am also bearing with you guys, so just keep going, just keep going, don't stop. Yes, we are coming very close to our target. So guys, this is for today, and if you are going to repeat it 3 times in particular set, it's going to help you a lot. And there is no jumping, no running in these exercises, so you will not have that much pain in your feet as you used to have. So try these exercises and please do let me know in the comment section below that how did you like these exercises और इससे आपको कितना बेनिफिट हुआ. और मुझे सजेशंस भी दीजिए आप अपने, जो भी आपके सजेशंस हैं they are more than welcome. So until I meet you again, take care of yourself and stay beautiful. As I always say, you are.